Hello guys, welcome to our classroom. We are learning Marigold for class 2. Let's sing. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play. I fly my kite, I fly my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day. Thanks for watching guys. Like and comment and subscribe my channel to motivate me. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.